In this English lesson, we're going to learn about subject pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Possessive adjectives my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Possessive pronouns mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Reflexive pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself or yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves. And object pronouns me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Subject pronouns. Pronouns that can replace the subject of a sentence. I am a police officer. We eat breakfast every morning. You are perfect at singing. He is studying for his exam. She loves to read books. It costs $5 for a cup of coffee. They love to play video games. Possessive adjectives. Adjectives that are used to show possession of something and followed by a noun. My favorite color is blue. Our team won the championship. Your phone battery is low. His favorite food is pizza. She likes to play her guitar. Its engine needs to be fixed. Their house is beautiful. Possessive pronouns. Pronouns that are used to show possession of something and not followed by a noun. Mine, this book is mine. Ours, he is a friend of ours. Yours, is this pen yours? His, that guitar is his. Hers, which house is hers? Please note that its isn't used as a possessive pronoun. My car is yellow, but theirs is red. Reflexive pronouns. pronouns that can be used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. Myself, I am proud of myself. Ourselves, we shouldn't blame ourselves. Yourselves, clean the house yourselves. If the subject is singular, use yourself instead of yourselves. Himself, he made it himself. Herself, she made herself a sandwich. Itself, the wound healed itself. Themselves, they bought themselves clothes. Object pronouns. Pronouns that can replace the object of a sentence. Me, teacher scolded me for being late. Us, parents bought us a new car. You, I know you very well. Him, they accused him of stealing. Her, do you know her? It, let's take it to the mechanic. Them, I saw them at the restaurant.